Hey, what's up YouTube? Here at the box tournament of awesomeness. You can see all of the people here. So many people. It's kind of like towards the end they're going to cut the top 8. This is the last round before top 8. But my friend's going to open his entry packs for me. So they gave us one of each of the packs. They gave us one Galactic, one Tachyon, one Cosmo Blazer, one Abyss, one Return of the Duelist, one Order Chaos. So he's going to open them for us. So go ahead and open them, yo.
Goodies. Goodies. No goodies.
Open them up the other way so people can see them.
Oh.
Okay, that's cool. Alright, we got it, we got it. No one cares about the rares.
I'll take these.
Yay.
Here, you can have more.
Next pack, yay! Gifts of kindness. Return of the Duelist. Hopefully he'll pull a spellbook or something. Madolches.
I run Madolches.
So good. Oh, another rare.
Here, goodies.
Yay! More gifts of kindness and chivalry.
We are the good friends.
Da da da.
Oh, nice.
That's pretty good.
Spellbook of Fate. You did get a spellbook card. Yay! I don't know how much that's worth. YouTube, let us know how much is that worth. It's worth something. Let's move on.
I bet they're gonna post
Cosmo
on YouTube.
Blazer.
Comments, goodies. Oh.
More rares.
Who wants goodies?
More gifts of kindness. And the last pack, the pack we all care about. Tachyon Galaxy. The one with all of the expensive cards that are in the set. That are like 2.
Uh-oh.
Doesn't know how to open packs.
That's a stubborn one.
Maybe it'll go Draco sack.
And crap. Oh yay, more crap.
That one's pretty good.
Common XYZs make you get all excited. And that's it. So, packs.